Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix open edges in PrusaSlicer. So um, if PrusaSlicer detects broken file, it will place a small orange triangle warning icon somewhere in this window here, probably here in the bottom right corner. Now what we are going to do is we will look at the object list panel on the right side of the screen and find the entry for your 3D model. And you will left click directly on the orange triangle uh, icon next to the frame, as you can see. And yeah, PrusaSlicer will use the built-in Windows NetFab repair tool to patch the open edges automatically. So this is basically the quick way how we can do that. If you don't see the icon but know the model is acting strange, right click your 3D model on the build plate. So select it, and now right click on it and click fix through NetFab. So where it is. All right, we don't see this fix through NetFab, but we have here fixed by Windows repair algorithm, which is basically the same. And yeah, it you will need to wait a few moments, and the software will save the broken edges back together. And this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.